Plankton Energy has completed a 1,798 kilowatt hybrid solar installation at 85 Wells Avenue, a premier office property in Newton, Massachusetts. This innovative project blends two models: a rooftop system under a behind-the-meter power purchase agreement, and parking lot canopy arrays operating as a community solar project. The rooftop PPA provides immediate utility savings for the building owner with no upfront capital, while the community solar component delivers low-cost renewable energy to households across the region. Together, the systems generate over 2 million kilowatt-hours of clean electricity each year, helping reduce emissions, improve ESG performance, and expand solar access to the local community. Supported by the Massachusetts SMART program, the project highlights how Plankton Energy's turnkey model transforms commercial property infrastructure into a reliable source of revenue, resilience, and environmental value.